Welcome back. Sentence chapter. In an English sentence, the subject always comes first in a sentence. This is following by verb. Verb को हम action word भी बोलते हैं and then the object. It's important to use the correct word order while forming a sentence. When the correct word order is not used, it is confused to understand the meaning of the sentences. Listen to the teachers, the student. Here, this sentence is wrong because the word order is wrong. The subject, the students should come at the beginning of the sentence. Let us write the sentence in the correct order. The students learn to the teacher. Combine the two parts and write a full sentence. Remember to always write the subject first, verb and object or subject. Fell down and broke. The red jar. ठीक है, फिर उसके बाद में है सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. निकीज ब्रोदर सब्जेक्ट है. इज गोइंग टू वॉच ए मूवी वर्ब एंड ऑब्जेक्ट है. ठीक है. लेट्स लर्न टू अरेंज रीअरेंज वर्ड्स करेक्टली टू क्रिएट मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंसेस. वी लर्नड दैट द सब्जेक्ट ऑलवेज कम्स first in a sentence. The action word or the verb of the predicate comes next. This is followed by the rest of the predicate, also called the object of the sentence. Predicate को object of the sentence भी कहते हैं. You can remember this pattern using these colors such as subject, object, action verb, word or object. The cat runs across the road. The students listen to the teacher. You must always use words in this order to write a correct meaningful sentence. ठीक है. फिर उसके बाद में rearrange these words to write a correct sentence. Use color pattern to help you. Subject, verb और object. जैसे कि symbolize peace, the color white, the large. तो ये सारी चीज़ हैं, इनको आपने ठीक करके लिखना है सेंटेंस को. आपने इसके अंदर क्या सीखा लेसन के अंदर? द वर्ड इज इन ए सेंटेंस मस्ट बी रिटन इन द करेक्ट ऑर्डर. द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ ए सेंटेंस इज व्हाट द सेंटेंस इज अबाउट. द सब्जेक्ट ऑलवेज कम्स फर्स्ट इन ए सेंटेंस. दिस इज फॉलोड बाय द वर्ब, एक्शन वर्ड जिसको बोलते हैं, एंड देन द ऑब्जेक्ट. ठीक है. फिर उसके बाद में है आपका रीडिंग एक्टिविटी. क्या है? In this lesson, you will learn the strategies to become a better reader. Read and get information from posters and signs. What was the last thing that you enjoyed reading? What was it about? मतलब क्या था जिसका आपने पढ़ने के दौरान आनंद लिया और किसके बारे में था ये आपने लिखना है. Let's learn strategies to become a better reader. Reading is an activity that we do throughout the day. We read road signs, we read words and instructions while using our mobile phone. We read the news, text messages and emails. 10 ways to become a better reader. Reading for information. Reading is the most effective way to get information and draw in knowledge. When we read books and articles, we learn new things. हम नई चीज़ें सीखते हैं जब हम पढ़ते हैं तो कोई नई चीज़ें. That improve our skills. We read on the internet to find information about anything in the world. फिर उसके बाद में reading for instructions. When we fill out a form, how do we know about what details we need to write? We read the words on the forum. Reading carefully can help us complete many tasks correctly. Instructions manuals, user guides, road signs, etc. are all meant for us to read and follow instructions. ठीक है. तो रीडिंग फॉर इंटरटेनमेंट के लिए भी होता है रीडिंग। रीडिंग किस किस के लिए होता है इसके बारे में है ये। रीडिंग इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट प्रोडक्टिव एंड हेल्थी एक्टिविटीज़ वी कैन डू इन आवर फ्री टाइम्स। वी कैन डिस्कवर मैनी इंटरेस्टिंग कैरेक्टर्स एंड फनी stories through reading. Reading is a very important skill to practice and perfect. Reading can seem difficult and boring if you are not used to it. Okay, here are a few things you can do become a better reader. Read everything you can see. Read the newspaper, poster, magazines, on the online articles, etc. Dedicate 20 minutes every day to read something that you enjoy. Choose something that fits your interests. Find books, short stories, and newsletters on a topic that you like. Read with a pencil in your hand. Underline important words or points as you read. You can also find the meaning of these words. फिर उसके बाद में लेट्स डिसाइड टू रीड मोर, फिलिंग इन द ब्लैंक्स टू सेट योर गोल्स. आई विल रीड खालिस्तान बुक्स दिस ईयर. राइट ए नंबर ऑफ कितनी बुक्स पढ़ोगे आप. आई विल रीड फ्रॉम ब्लैंक टू ब्लैंक एवरी डे. टाइम कितने से कितने पढ़ोगे आप. लेट्स लर्न टू रीड एंड गेन इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम पोस्टर एंड साइंस. ये है अंडरस्टैंड पोस्टर. पोस्टर को समझें, इसको क्या है इसके अंदर. ठीक है. ए कॉमन वे टू शेयर इंफॉर्मेशन इज थ्रू posters. Poster present information by using image and colors. While reading a poster, first take a look at the title. This will tell you what the poster is about. Then read the highlighted points. This will give you a summary of the information given in the poster. Finally, read all the details under the highlighted points. This will help you understand all the information. Understanding signs and symbols. Author way to give information through images is through symbols. There are some common symbols that we seen around us. For example, arrows are one of the most used symbols. When arrows are used in road signs, they are telling us which direction we should go in. When arrows are used in posters or presentations, they are telling us to focus on a particular thing. Here are some more commonly used sign and symbol. जैसे कि read color. When the color read is red, red color क्या होता है. When the red color is used in any symbol, it is usually meant that something must not be done. मतलब कुछ किया नहीं जा सकता. येलो कलर क्या होता है. When the color yellow is used, it means that you must be careful. You must pay special attention because there is some risk. This is the recycle symbol, है ना. ये recycle symbol. If you see it on any objects, it means that the object can be recycled. If the symbol is on a dustbin, it means you must use that bin for recycle items. उसके बाद में this is the special access symbol. It is used to indicate when something is designed specifically for use by people with disabilities. Some pupil spaces have a ramp access, reserved parking, faculty for a special bathroom for people with disability. You will see this symbol in such places. This symbol is used to indicate the place where you can exit a building or a room. डिजिटल सिंबल ये रहे. ठीक है ना. और एक्टिविटी टाइम, पावर ऑन ऑफ, बी केयरफुल, मेनू, साइकिल, ये आपने मैच करना है. क्या क्या सीखा आपने इस लेसन में. We read to gain information, to get instructions, and for entertainment. Posters are a way to convey information in a visually appealing manner. There are commonly used symbols that have particular meaningfuls. तो आशा करता हूँ आपको आज का लेसन समझ में आया होगा। और नेक्स्ट लेसन है स्पीकिंग। पहले था रीडिंग और बाद में इसके बाद में आएगा स्पीकिंग। थैंक्स वॉचिंग फॉर वीडियो।